Okay, what finally came in the mail, Jay?
My parts.
New quad parts, so we can finally put yours back together, do some test runs, and win some races, right? Okay, let's open it up.
Okay. So here's my new package. Woohoo!
Woot woot! So I found a place in the States, G-Force Power Sports, and they sell different weighted rollers for these little clutches. These are kind of like a CV Tech clutch actually. They're pretty simple and straightforward. So all you have is a couple rollers, different weights. Throw this out and grab your belt. And now with those big tires, we want lighter weights so that you'll rev or engage at a higher RPM. So this is one of your stock rollers, 8 grams per roller.
Okay, we got 8 grams.
8 grams. These are 5 grams. And I also ordered another box just so we had 2 different weights to play with. This one is 4 grams. So what should we do? Stock 8, 5, 4. Should we just go for the most drastic change? Put the 4s in right away and see what happens? Might as well, right? While you have your clutches apart, always a good idea just to give these a rinse. Clean all this dust out of here. Okay, can you see this? All this dark spots here?
Yeah.
Your belt hasn't even been making it that high because you can't rev high enough. So we're going to take some sandpaper and just clean this up.
This is going to be a good YouTube channel.
I hope so. Okay, let's put the 4s in. If it revs too high, then we'll try the 5s.
Yeah, we'll just take them out and then put the 5s in.
Yeah, let's clean all the dust and dirt out of here too. Test run with an extra 200 pounds on here. Definitely revs up faster, but you're not getting your top end speed. I think something is wrong with this secondary. Or that belt is stretched too much already. Okay, what do we do now?
That's strange.
Very strange. Do we not have enough weight in there now? Are you revving out too early?
Do we try the 5s?
Let's try the 5s.
These ones are gonna work better.
That all moves nicely, so that shouldn't be hanging up. It just takes so long to throw out that primary clutch. You would think the 4s would have done better. But it's hard to say because maybe I'm too heavy. Get your helmet on, let's try some launches with you on it. Okay, now just pin it. You're definitely taking off faster. That clutch is still so slow. Let's go in the mud and see what it actually does. Now the belt got wet. So we just had a driver meeting with Jameson. I think we should put the 4s in, see what it does with you on it. And what did you say, Jay?
I like it like this.
He thinks this is way better already. It feels faster, and when you take off it feels way better. Okay, then we'll go with that. Let's try it out and see what happens tomorrow. But let's build some sort of a snorkeler. Because I think tomorrow's race you're going to have some water. And that is not going to work. Let's go see if we can find a hose that fits on here and just run it up here for tomorrow. Go drive it in the garage. Oh, Kieran got home. How was school?
Fun.
Time to get ready for racing? Okay, then you can pull yours in and start putting crush locks on. We got Jay's new clutch parts in, and he's happy with them.
How much faster is it?
He thinks it's quite a bit faster, so he's the one that drives it. I'm gonna trust him. I'm gonna run the old crush locks with 2-inch wheel spacers on the back. The back is way narrower than the front. If Kieran's gonna jack that up, you're gonna have to move over, man. You don't have no room on this side. We'll move Jay's over and you can pull in right behind mine. Start putting your wheels on. This stuff.
Why do you need blue and silicone?
Uh-oh, I wonder if this tube's even going to be any good. Okay, go to the other side. There, now with a 2-inch wheel spacer, The wheels line up. Actually, the front's still a little bit wider. But way better than it was. It looked really funny last time we tried them on, remember?
I do not remember. There we go. Now let's put on wheel spacers and crush them.
Lay that down. There we go, 2-inch wheel spacers. Kieran's gonna try out the crush locks. We're gonna see if that makes a difference now. Okay, we got Jay's quick makeshift snorkel done. This is an old pool hose. Came with our pool. Taped it. Hopefully it won't melt from the exhaust. But now your belt shouldn't get wet. Footwell's back on, and both machines are ready to rock. Load up the Renegade, off we go. Let's do it. Thing moves now. Okay, get it revved up.